Grandpa.
Here's Grandpa Bob tying a string onto the a demolition string onto the bottom of the tower for our demolition expert. That's him right there. To demolish the tower. What are you going to do to the tower?
Pull the string.
You're going to pull the string? What's going to happen when you pull the string?
Knockdown.
Knockdown. Is it going to make a loud noise?
Yep.
Look at the camera. Tell me the noise it's going to make. Like that or louder?
Louder.
Okay, is the string ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Dad, is the string ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do a countdown, Ryker.
3, 2, 1. Break it!
The demolition string is just getting longer and longer.
Oh,
Oh no, I'm done.
Okay, you'll have to use the...